Hello everyone, so welcome to this channel, and today in this video session I will discuss the OpenQuery file tutorial. So I have already created various videos on this topic, and now this time I'll continue with the same topic, OpenQuery file, and we'll be discussing about the formatting records in the OpenQuery file command. So basically we can uh, assign a format, or we can create a record format using this OpenQuery file. That is, we can format the records to a different record format. So let me show you the program that how we'll do this. So if you see this program, the CL program, the first thing we are doing is we are basically overriding the pf1 file to the pf1 temp file. So basically we need both the file this time because there is a catch here. So let me show you. This is the pf1 file where we have three fields: employee ID, employee name, and manager ID. And this is the pf1 temp file where we have four fields, and we can see the first three fields are same and the last field is different, that is department, and it is the extra field in this file. And pf1 has data and this file does not have any data. Now what we will be doing is we are overriding this pf1 file to the pf1 temp file so that we can override the data of this file, and we can share *s, which means that we are sharing this data. The open data path that is going to be created using this command, OpenQuery file command, will be shared with this RPG program, OpenQuery RPG1. Now the second thing is we are using pf1. From pf1 file, what we are doing is we are basically selecting the pf1 file and creating a format. So you can see the format keyword here, format parameter here. So we have specified pf1 temp file in the *libl record format only. Query selection is not assigned here. We are not selecting any record. So we are using the mapfld key parameter to basically derive another field, either using the constant or a built-in function, or using some, let's say, fields, existing fields of this file pf1. So you can see, just come down. So you can see mapfld keyword mapped field specification. So I'm deriving this new field department in the new record format that we have specified. And field definition expression is IT. So here we can either, so you can see this is within the single quotes and the value is within the double quotes, which means it's a character value. And if I want to give the field, so I can simply write, let's say, empid. Don't need to enclose within the double quotes, then that means it's a value. So it will treat it as a field in that case. And we are mapped field type will be calculated. So basically that will be character 2. We can either assign it character 2 here as well. And the open ID is A for this file. So we are creating the open data path, temporary access path here, that is named as A from this pf1 file, and we are basically deriving the new file record format with a new field as well. So basically this pf1 temp will contain the existing three fields plus this new field department that I have already shown to you. I have created these files because we need to actually run this program and compile this program. So, and then once this OpenQuery file data ODP is created, we just call this OpenQuery RPG1 program. And once this program is called and returned, we will simply first close this open data path and then we'll delete override on this file pf1 temp, and at last the end of the program. Let me show you the RPG program. So this is the RPG program where I am not reading pf1, I'm reading pf1 temp in input mode. And So you can see I'm reading all the records of this PF1 temp. So PF1 temp will be populated using the ODP that we will be creating in the CL call program from where this RPG program gets called. And you can see I'm displaying all the fields of this PF1 temp, that is existing three fields: employee ID, employee name, manager ID plus department. That was actually derived. So all the values are derived from PF1. And you saw that PF1 does not have this field, so we derived that field using the format, using the mapFLD keyword and formatted it to the PF1 temp file. So that's here. Let me compile this program. So RPG1 is created. Let me compile this as well. This is also created. Now we need to call this program. So before that, we just do debug strdbg. This is the program that we're going to debug. Let's set the breakpoint and then call this program. So initially, let's see work job on this, and we'll see there is no open data path for PF1 or PF1 temp, and there is no override till now. So once this override command run executed, we can see the override on PF1 file, and this is PF1 temp file. Once this query executed, we have created the formatted records. Just do work job, just do 14. So you can see on PF1 file, we have created the open data path, ODP. Let me show you. So if you see, in PF1 we have this data, and PF1 temp also we are showing the same file in the same data. We are not seeing the temp file because this is coming from the OpenQuery ODP path that's we have created yet. Now once we take Shift F10, now you will see that PF1 temp is showing three fields, but still you will be getting all the data. So employee ID is 1, employee name is name 1, manager ID is 2, and department is IT. So you can see you are getting all the records. Just set the breakpoint and take F12. So you will be seeing that you are getting the desired data. And this will basically close the ODP, and this will delete the override. Just do work job. Again, ODP is deleted and the override is deleted. So now you will not see any data on this, and the end of the program. So this way you show that how you can format your existing file feeds records or to a different format, and you can do your work. So that's one feature of the OpenQuery file. That's all here in this video. Thank you.